Meaning of didactically.
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 Didactically. The term didactically refers to a teaching method which emphasizes the use of instruction and pedagogy in order to impart knowledge or skills. This approach typically involves a teacher or instructor who presents information in a systematic and structured way, with the goal of guiding students through a series of lessons or learning activities. The purpose of a didactic approach is to help learners acquire new knowledge, understand complex concepts, and develop important skills. Overall, a didactic approach tends to be effective for learners who benefit from clear direction and well-organized instruction.